EFF Member of Parliament Siqolise Gcilitshe has taken jabs at the party's former Deputy President Floyd Shivambu over his remarks on Busisiwe Mkhwebane after she left the party. Mkhwebane announced she was leaving the EFF this week, sparking debate on the state of leadership in the Red Berets with less than 2 months to go before its elective conference in December. Her departure comes months after Shivambu joined the MK party. Shivambu has praised Mkhwebane, saying, "Advocate Mkhwebane is one of the most disciplined, hard-working and skilled professionals I know. She never sacrifices principles on the altar of convenience. Viva Black Excellence." And his remarks ruffled feathers of the EFF members. "I am of belief and view that you were never genuine in your following of the CIC, Julius Malema, when he was expelled. You followed him because his greatness was always evident and your association was motivated by self-interest. You used him and he thought you genuinely cared," Elisha said, responding to Shivambu. "How I haven't blocked you is an indication of how toxic I am to myself. But when did you become such an opportunist, Floyd? You don't even like these people you are suddenly praising. Your self-interest behavior continues to shock me." Mkhwebane expressed a need for rest while indicating a commitment to continue fighting for vulnerable community. EFF Central Command team member Anthony Matumba was adamant the party was not collapsing. He said there were 3 categories of the party members: bitter opportunist, political careerist, and members of members. The bitter opportunist suffers from entitlement issues. They think that the EFF owes them deployment in parliament or council. They are leaving the EFF because they didn't get positions in parliament after elections, Matumba said. The second category is political careerists with uncontrollable ambitions to be at the top. What you must know about careerists is that they have good positions and deployment in the EFF, but they think it is not enough. They want something big in their political careers. That is why the MK party is giving them offers like soccer players, the likes of Floyd Mani and possibly Mkhwebane. He said careerists are positioning themselves in the hopes the party would grow and take over government. Just like the IFP, everything would collapse soon. He said the EFF is not collapsing. Opportunist careerists and members of members are getting rid of themselves, he said. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.